In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on location in Safari. We'll walk through the steps to ensure that your device is set up correctly to use location services while browsing the web. Let's get started. First, we need to make sure that location services are turned on. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. This section holds many of your privacy options. Next, find and tap on Location Services. Here you'll see a switch at the top of the screen. Make sure it is turned on. This enables location services globally on your device, allowing apps and websites to use your location. Now that location services are on, let's allow Safari to use your location. Still within the Location Services menu, scroll down until you find Safari websites. Tap on it. Here you have a couple of options. You can choose while using the app, which allows Safari to access your location only when you're actively using it. Alternatively, select Ask Next Time or When I Share. This choice prompts Safari to ask for your permission each time it wants to use your location, giving you more control. Once you have allowed Safari to use your location, let's move on to enabling location for a specific website. Open the Safari app and navigate to the website you want to allow access. In the address bar, look for the Page Settings button. Depending on your iOS version, it may appear as an AA menu. Tap on this button to access more options. From the menu, select Website Settings. Here you'll see an option for location. Tap on it and choose Allow. This setting enables the website to use your location, enhancing your browsing experience. If after these steps location is still not working as expected, let's troubleshoot. First, double-check that Location Services is enabled globally. If Safari Websites is set to Never, change it to either While using the app or Ask Next Time or When I Share. If the option is grayed out and you can't change it, there's one more place to look. Go back to Settings, then tap on Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions, then Location Services. Ensure that changes are allowed here so you have full control over your location settings. Here's a useful tip. If a website only needs to know your general area and not your precise location, you can increase your privacy. Go back to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Find Safari Websites and tap on it. Here you'll see an option to turn off precise location. This setting gives websites just an approximate idea of where you are, which can be useful for maintaining privacy. And there you have it. These steps will help you turn on and manage location settings in Safari, ensuring a seamless browsing experience. Remember, understanding these settings not only improves functionality but also enhances your privacy and control over your data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.